awesome. I really need to pee, so that makes things really worse, but I'm just gonna get it over with and then go to the bathroom. Okay, so this is a poem. Okay, so New Year and Christmas just passed, and I was supposed to go back home, but I didn't. And back home is Colombia, which is a country in the north. It's a nice place, I like it. Yeah, so I'm feeling a bit homesick. So for my birthday, I chose this poem. I'm going to use my phone. It's not even my phone, my friend's phone. Which is about Colombia, and it's a civil war that has been going on for much longer than I've been alive, which today is 21 years now. But yeah, and it's one of the reasons why I don't live there anymore. Partial reason, but still one of them. So yeah, this is the poem. It's titled Two Turquoise Parrots, and it goes like this. As a child, I knew a thing or two. I knew that Colombia was my home country. I knew that travelers were people with cool shoes and curiosity. I knew the difference between left and right. I knew the best places to hide. I knew how to know when the river would rise. As a child, I heard my dad say the words democracy and sovereignty. I thought he was talking about two turquoise parrots. As a child, I thought we had to take showers so we could grow just like plants do. As a child, I thought wet soil was milk chocolate. I thought that borders just meant changing the color of my crayons. As a child, I thought I knew. Today I know that borders can also be painted with the colors of a flag, yellow, blue, and red. That democracy and sovereignty don't have wings, that they are doing more harm than milk chocolate could ever heal. Today I know that the trees from the Amazon jungle are crying because the blood showers are not making them grow, or us grow. Today I know that our rivers are no longer dancing salsa because our mountains hurt with landmines, malaria, mercury, monocultures, mining, and mass murder. Today I know that in rural Colombia, many travelers are forced to leave their homes with their feet full of fear and their hands full of nothing. Today I know that that difference between left and right is the knife that cuts through my country like a rusted knife. Today I know that for those that are politically persecuted, hiding is no longer about counting 52. 52 years of war. 2020 orphans of a nation and 100 years of solitude. As a child, I used to think I knew. Now I know I wish those two turquoise parrots could take me home. Thank you.